Need to respond to the Apple Bar. 29 south between Hurt and Gretna. Very through fuel. Again, station 31. Need to respond to the Apple Bar. 29 south of Hurt. Sequence 215.
Your radio's on.
22, check one open mic at 1518.
Ain't no way, bro.
Definitely 12, sit down. Very 12. No place.
Appears to be about 5 gallons just arriving on scene. Might need some more stage route 228 mechanic. Engine stop right now. On scene appears to be about 10 gallons of gasoline.
It ain't much. Most of it's water.
Water? Oh, okay. She watched it or something?
Most of it's water, but a little of it's got fuel and some half-breeze mixed in.
Okay.